Hello everyone, and welcome to Stack. If your Android app is throwing the ERR Cleartext Not Permitted error when trying to load a web page or API, it means the operating system is actively blocking non-secure network traffic. I will show you exactly how to bypass this developer block right now. Let's get started. First, starting with Android 9, the operating system strictly requires all network connections to be encrypted by default to protect user data. The easiest and most secure way to fix this error without altering any core application code is to simply check the URL string you are trying to reach. If your server endpoint or website link starts with http://, change it to https://. This instantly satisfies Android's baseline security requirements and allows your network requests to process perfectly. Next, if you are testing on a local server or absolutely must connect to an older HTTP endpoint that does not support encryption, you can manually bypass this security block globally. Open your Android Studio project and navigate to your AndroidManifest.xml file. Inside the main application tag, simply add the attribute Android:uses cleartext traffic equals true. This explicitly commands the Android system to allow unencrypted HTTP traffic across your entire application, which is a great quick fix while you are actively developing and debugging. Finally, if you are getting ready to publish the app, it is a bad practice to leave Cleartext globally enabled. For a safer, production-ready solution, you can whitelist only specific domains. Create a new XML file in your resources folder named network_security_config.xml and define your specific HTTP domains inside a domain-config tag with cleartext permitted. Then go back to your manifest file and reference this new rule by adding Android:network_security_config equals @xml/network_security_config to your application tag. Clean and rebuild your project, and your specific connection will work without triggering the error. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.